Well, well, well. A first of its kind, an international bout here, right here at the KFL 04. This is what we're talking about. Good stuff. A battle of the ages, arch rivals in any format, be it cricket, be it football, be it rugby, be it anything. You put an Indian and a Pakistani together, you're asking for a fight, and here is, we've given you a fight between India and Pakistan.
You know, all that responsibility falling on Abhishek Singh's shoulder. The 21-year-old stepping in on short notice to fight Nasibullah, a formidable opponent. And you know, whenever India and Pakistan met, just like Shyam said, it's a war.
And there's a subtle tension in the air, you know. Even Sri Lankans are like, oh, what's going to happen? Because I'll tell you what, the opponent that he's fighting is also no ordinary fighter. Abhishek Singh has competed in multiple amateur kickboxing and Muay Thai bouts in the Indian regional scene, and has also competed in many pro fights. So he is bringing in a lot of talent, technique, heart and determination into this bout. Let's see how he performs.
Tell us about it.
You know, Nasibullah, he has won the national championship in Pakistan. He has gone to Istanbul and many other countries. He has taken part in international bouts and he has won in all of them. This guy is no joke, and when he comes in to this ring, you know, it's guaranteed fireworks with this guy. Because I have to talk about KFL organizing a fight like this, because an India-Pakistan fight happening in Sri Lanka, this is why it is not just a K1 league in Sri Lanka, but it is a K1 league for all of South Asia. Fighters from this region can come to Sri Lanka and show their skills to the world.
This is exactly why we are South Asia's largest K1 fight league.
You know, they have a reputation, the Pakistanis, in the kickboxing scene, to be very ferocious fighters. So Abhishek Singh is going to have a very tough fight.
Let me tell you something, okay? This guy is a Pathan. Pathans, by nature, are tough, like built to battle. And these guys are very close to the Afghan border, right?
Really?
This boy, he will not step down. He will not back down. He's going to keep coming at you like
All
a
right,
Terminator.
ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for one of the feature bouts of the evening? Ladies and gents, this is one of the oldest rivalries in the world. At the Taprobane, live with a sold-out arena, it is India versus Pakistan. Three-minute rounds in the super middleweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist and kickboxer standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 75 kilograms, representing Team India. Make some noise for Abhishek Singh. And introducing his opponent, fighting out of the blue corner, a kickboxer standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 75 kilos, fighting for Team Pakistan. Make some noise for Nasibullah. And when the battle begins, please welcome into the ring your referee for the bout, Mr. Vasantha Senaratne. Fight fans, let's go to war!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first foreign fight at KFL at the super middleweight division. Representing the red corner from India, Abhishek Singh, age 21, standing tall at 5 feet 9 inches, and Nasibullah from the blue corner representing Pakistan. At the age of 21, he's standing at 5 feet 11 inches tall and weighing in. Both fighters are weighing in at 75 kilograms, and this bout will be held under standard K1 rules. Match official, Vasantha Senaratne.
I actually went to double check if I was right with my geographical findings. He is in fact a Pathan.
Really?
And suddenly my money is on this guy.
Naseeb on the offense.
Nasib Ullah.
No, Abhishek
The man
Singh.
has been doing the rounds. He knows what he's doing. Abhishek seems to also... Whoa.
Naseeb caught him with the right hand. But Abhishek fired before that strike. Abhishek strike back with a couple of leg kicks. An inside leg kick, an outside leg kick just now.
Right.
Abhishek needs to be very careful with those punches. The cross by Naseeb is very vicious, and it caught him 2 times by now. India versus Pakistan is a centuries-old rivalry.
You got that right.
But you know, they showed respect at the beginning of the fight. So
The Pakistan coach is also no slouch in his own right. He's a silver medalist, and he's also trained in China. And the man has a lot of respect in the fraternity.
in Pakistan, a cross by Naseeb. He caught Abhishek a couple of times there, but Abhishek seems to be unfazed. Ooh. A jab lands clean by Naseeb.
Nasib looks to be the better physical specimen, though.
Very clearly. A head kick by Naseeb and a follow-up body kick by Abhishek.
No major strikes of note as of yet.
Both orthodox fighters. Ooh.
Oh, that stumbled Abhishek.
Big bombs, and he
To
goes
the ground
down.
he goes.
Wow.
I think it was a right hand, Senitha.
It was a right hand. It was straight 1-2s, but the cross did the job. And it wobbled Abhishek bad. And referee Vasant Senratna giving a standing 10 count.
I need to also recognize the presence of some members of the Pakistan High Commission who are
they're
also
here.
here in attendance. Yes, they've accepted our invitation, so thank you very much. We also have members of the Bangladesh High Commission with us as well.
Well, next up we'll see a Bangladeshi fighter at KFL.
Who knows? But you know, they were very happy to accept. In fact, the Indian High Commission also were invited, but they were unable to make it due to a
Naseeb seems to be hyping up the crowd here. Abhishek was, the medical official just tended to Abhishek, and the referee has deemed that it is appropriate to continue the fight. Or not? Yes.
He's waiting for the medical officers to sit down.
Not sure what happened there though. Was it
No, just waiting till they took their seats.
Yeah.
I still feel that our young Pathan fighter should have this in the bag.
Big reactions out of Abhishek each time Naseeb enters as well.
Yeah, Naseeb needs to be I beg your pardon, Abhishek needs to be a bit more careful. He has his guard down all the time and he executes those kicks. And Abhishek, I beg your pardon, Naseeb just charges in with the 1-2s. Ooh. I believe it was a jab that landed clean by Abhishek. Good on the Indian. Final 10 seconds. I'm looking at this from ringside and I can see the power. I can feel the power of Naseeb Ullah's punches. Sham, they're bombs.
They are absolute bombs. Tell you what. Oh, the mouthpiece is on the floor.
Right on the bell.
Need to,
I believe the referee did.
that's some intense stuff.
I just handed him the mouthpiece and Abhishek just went to his corner without the mouthpiece. He didn't even care.
Do you understand what that means?
He's locked in this fight is what he is.
Oh, he's out of sorts. One of the two. That being said, this has been a fantastic outing so far. A big shout out to our sponsors as usual: LG, Fairway, 10Z, Fox, Sportway coming in on board for the first time, and Fox FM.
Seconds out. Seconds out.
Okay, I need to come back.
Abhishek looking a little confused in the corner at the moment. He did eat a big right hand at the end of that round.
Yeah. Naseeb's his power is otherworldly.
I'm told that Naseeb trains with a wild bear.
I beg your pardon?
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm trying to sound interesting over here.
Sam, you sounded serious there. Here we go, the second round. Ooh, another.
Wait, looks like he is though.
But I'll tell you what, Abhishek can take a punch and still come forward. He landed a couple of kicks there, a side kick to the body, but ooh, big body shots by Naseeb.
Yeah, Naseeb not accepting that clinch, just punching his way out of it.
Yeah.
Man, he has the bit between his teeth, this Naseebullah here. Again, Abhishek trying to tie up, but Naseeb just punching his way out. You don't see this that often from fighters.
This is, the aggression by Naseebullah is amazing so far here in the second round.
Man, Naseebullah looking like the highest level we
he's
have
in trouble.
seen at KFL.
Abhishek is in trouble.
He really does look like a world-class fighter.
Wow. And that is the second count of the fight. Abhishek seemed to be wobbled, right before those strikes landed clean.
Yeah. I mean, Vasant Senaratne giving Abhishek a lot of opportunity to work, but you could stop the fight right here. He doesn't have the body language of a guy who looks like he wants to continue right now.
He's taking a lot of punishment, yeah. Oh, another big thunderous right hand by Naseeb from the clinch. And he has Abhishek
Right
in a
hand
corner.
that right hand landed
That's the
right
end.
on the ear, and that's all she rose, I imagine. If
I think-
Abhishek pulls himself to his feet here, that would be remarkable.
I think that's all she wrote.
What a moment for Naseebullah making his debut, and referee Vasant Senaratne calling off the fight.
And that is a knockout.
Naseebullah wins by technical knockout. Wow.
Quick clinical work from Naseebullah.
In his debut fight.
That's good stuff.
That's good stuff. I want to see him again in the future.
His coach slapping him across the face.
You're gonna love those two guys. They're hilarious together. You know, they joke, they talk, they do a lot of funny stuff. And above all, I need to also make a side remark over here. Big shout out to 10Z by Shahid Afridi for coming on board. The moment they knew that Pakistan was representing, they wanted to be a part of KFL. And not only that, they're now looking to have a distribution network in Sri Lanka. 10Z is an isotonic drink made for sportsmen and women across the world to hydrate and get the best performance of themselves. Thanks to that, and right now Sri Lanka has an opportunity to also welcome 10Z by Shahid Afridi into Sri Lanka.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for these two champions coming all the way here to KFL 04 from India and Pakistan, one of the oldest rivalries. Let's make some noise from Sri Lanka for India and Pakistan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, referee Vasanta Senaratne calls an end to the fight midway during the second round, declaring the winner by knockout, Naseebullah from Team Pakistan.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the super middleweight bout is Naseebullah from Team Pakistan. And now, the first runner-up receives a prize from the KFL of 50,000 rupees. We'd like to invite Team India. Abhishek Singh, please join us inside the ring. We'd like to invite our runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause please for Team India. Abhishek Singh receives a check of 50,000 rupees from the Karma Fight League. There you go. Flying all the way from India is Abhishek Singh. A fantastic fight here up in the ring. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the bout, super middleweight bout, we'd like to invite from Team Pakistan, Naseeb Ullah. Receiving the Karma Factor bonus from Booyah Pasha as well. Congratulations to Naseeb Ullah from Team Pakistan. Let's talk to Naseeb for a minute. Of course, he receives her Karma Fight League check of 50,000 rupees as well. Receiving a total of 100,000 rupees. Congratulations, Naseeb. How did it feel winning this fight on Sri Lankan soil?
First of all, I want to say Alhamdulillah. I'm thankful to God. I'm thankful to God. I'm not that much. God make me. And I'm thankful to my coach, my mentor, Sir Samiullah Kakar. I was nothing. He made me. Today I'm here because of this person. I will say, if I go forward, this is my motivation. This person make me. And I'm thankful to him. And I'm thankful to Coach Mashal for my... he was there with me in... what week is... Mashal, I'm thankful to you, and I'm thankful to Karma Fighting League organizer, and I'm thankful to their management. Thank you so much for inviting us here. And special thing to Kevin and Indian Federation, Mr. Johnson, thank you so much. And I'm thankful to you all of. Thank you so much, guys, for coming here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, Naseeb Ullah, representing Team Pakistan, winning the super middleweight bout.